Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A luxurious tropical resort poolside setting. A large, rectangular pool with teal-green water reflecting the surrounding vegetation and sunlight. Tan and beige stonework and decking surrounds the pool, leading to lounging areas with wicker sunbeds and umbrellas. A large, light tan thatched roof house with beige stucco walls and large windows opens onto the pool area. The house is nestled amidst lush, vibrant green tropical foliage, including palm trees. The scene is filled with warmth and tranquility, showcasing natural materials like wood, rattan, and thatch. High-quality lighting and shading highlight the textures and details of the structures and furniture. A modern, concrete-style house with a large swimming pool overlooking a lake. The house, with floor-to-ceiling glass and a cantilevered design, sits nestled amidst lush green trees and golden tall grasses bordering the water. Hyper-realistic rendering. The concrete has a warm, earthy tone, with shades of light brown and gray. The pool water is a deep teal, reflecting the sky and surrounding greenery. The grass is a mix of golden yellow and light green. The house juts out from the trees, creating a sense of openness and connection with the outdoors. A luxurious tropical poolside scene. A large, rectangular swimming pool with teal-green water reflecting the surrounding lush greenery. The pool deck is light beige stone, and the pool's edges are a rich, warm timber. Multiple wicker sun loungers, light beige and tan, are positioned around the pool, along with a patio set including some wicker chairs and tables. A thatched roof gazebo, light tan and beige tones, provides shade and structure. The gazebo is attached to a light beige, stucco-style building with large glass doors offering a view into a tropical interior. The landscaping includes tall, slender palm trees with a rough texture, large tropical leaves, and various planting containers. A vibrant outdoor living space under a bamboo pergola. The setting is a lush tropical garden with towering green foliage and a view of hills in the background. The color palette is earthy tones of rich browns, warm oranges, and deep blues, accented by pops of vibrant patterned throw pillows. The furniture is crafted from woven bamboo, in a curvaceous design, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. There are multiple wicker sofas, with various colorful cushions, and a round wicker coffee table on a woven rug. Two traditional-style pendant lights hang from the bamboo beams. The image style is impressionistic, capturing the ambience of the tropical garden, not hyper-realistic, with strong emphasis on the organic forms and colors. A tranquil tropical oasis, featuring a sparkling swimming pool with a cascading waterfall nestled within lush greenery. Mid-afternoon sun bathes the scene, illuminating the turquoise water and the various shades of green found in the surrounding foliage, from deep emerald to vibrant jungle green. Hyper-realistic depiction of the textures, smooth, flowing water, detailed leaf patterns and textures in plants, a woven straw-roofed gazebo and wicker lounge chairs. Waterfall flows over smooth, dark gray rocks. The pool's mosaic tile bottom is visible beneath the clear water, reflecting the colors of the surrounding plants and sky. A spacious, sun-drenched courtyard surrounding an orange-hued hacienda-style home. Impressionistic, but with clear details. Warm, muted tones of terracotta orange, beige, and mustard yellow. Stone pathways and a central stone fire pit, edged with gravel, are paved with flagstones and pebbles, creating a textured, natural ambience. Outdoor sectional sofas with mustard yellow throw pillows rest along the walls. Large potted plants, palm trees, and lush greenery fill the courtyard, adding depth and color. The architecture features arched doorways, dark wooden beams, and terracotta-tiled roofs, in a style evocative of a Mexican or South American villa. A winding pathway through a lush tropical conservatory garden bathed in warm, golden light. The path is paved with a light gray stone, bordered by a low, dark metal edge lit with warm orange LED strips. The garden overflows with vibrant tropical plants, including banana plants, palms, ferns, and various flowering shrubs in shades of orange, red, and deep greens. The scene is lit by strategically placed spotlights highlighting the greenery and flowers. Glass walls of the conservatory provide a backdrop of diffused natural light. The overall impression is one of tranquility and lushness, with a focus on natural textures and rich colors. A tranquil, lush tropical garden at twilight. Impressionistic, but with strong attention to detail. Pathways of light gray, textured stone slabs wind through the garden, lined with gravel. Curved, dark-stained wooden platforms, softly lit from underneath by amber-colored LED strip lighting, create a series of seating areas and transitions within the garden space. Large, rounded, dark gray stones of varying sizes are scattered throughout, creating a textured and organic feel. An abundance of vibrant green tropical foliage, including palm trees and large banana plants, flanks the pathways. A lush tropical garden surrounds a modern, minimalist-style pavilion with a shallow pool. The pavilion, with a terracotta-tiled roof supported by dark brown wooden beams, features a large wooden daybed with mustard orange cushions. Orange curtains hang from pillars, creating a tranquil, intimate space. The stone structure of the pavilion and surrounding walls is mottled gray and tan. A small waterfall features in the foreground, cascading down into a calm, reflecting pool of dark greenish-brown water. Rich greenery and tropical foliage are prominent, featuring tall palm trees, vibrant green plants, and banana plants. A raised platform of light gray concrete surrounds the pool and leads up to the seating area, creating a step-like effect. A serene, tranquil outdoor lounge area. A wooden pergola with thatched roof overhangs a deck space, surrounded by lush greenery, bamboo, and tropical plants. The space incorporates a small pool lined by natural stone and terracotta pots. The deck is made of light brown wooden planks. Soft, rust-colored, beanbag-style seating, and a low, wooden seating area with burnt orange cushions and pillows are scattered around the space. Small stones create a decorative border around the seating areas. The overall color palette is warm and earthy, combining browns, terracotta, and muted greens. A tranquil, lush garden with a serene pond and wooden structures. A large, dark-stained wooden pavilion, featuring large glass doors and a terracotta roof, sits amidst tropical foliage. The scene is lit by warm, ambient lighting, casting a soft glow on the water lilies floating on the surface of the pond and the greenery. The water is a deep, still black, reflecting the surrounding structures. The humid tropical forest setting is full of various tropical plants, including large leaves and palms. A koi fish is visible in the pond. The wooden structures are intricate and well detailed, with visible textures and dark wood tones. A tranquil outdoor gazebo nestled within a lush, tropical garden. A wooden pergola-style structure, with light beige/cream-colored curtains draped from the roof, provides shade and privacy. The pergola has a dark brown wooden roof and pillars. Inside, a comfortable dark gray modular sectional sofa with patterned throw pillows is situated. A small round wooden table with candles is centered in front of the seating area. A cascading waterfall flows into a dark reflecting pool. The pool and waterfall are surrounded by natural stone and rock formations.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.